Morning students. Today we will do exercise 3.4 sixth question. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. The dotted lines are drawn additionally to help you. Okay, that is the question. What is that? ABC is a right angle to triangle. See B, it is right angle. Okay. Why? Because its opposite sides midpoint is O. You can see O is here. So its opposite side is what? B's opposite side is O, AC. Okay. So right angle is at B only. And we have to explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. That means OA, OB and OC are equal. That we have to prove. Okay, what is the reason why? How it is equal? That we have to prove. Now you know ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle is forming at B. And AC is the opposite of angle B and O is the midpoint of this AC. That is given. Now from A, we are making a line right side of A which is parallel to BC. We have made with the dotted lines. Okay. Now from C we are making a line which is parallel to BA. Upper side we are making and they both are joining at the point D. That means AD and CD. AD is parallel to BC and CD is parallel to AB. Okay. So what is this? If the lines AD and BC are parallel and AB and CD are parallel, it's a parallelogram. We can say it is a parallelogram only. Okay. Now, you know angle B is 90 degree. That is already given. So, angle D is also 90 degree in a parallelogram. Opposite side angles are equal. So, B is 90 degree. D is also 90 degree. Angle B is 90. Angle D is 90. Reason is opposite angles are equal. Now, A plus B is what? 180 degree because you know so adjacent angles are supplementary. So angle A is what? In the parallelogram ABCD, angle A is 180 minus 90. That means A is also 90 degree. Now A and C are equal. Why? Because you know opposite angles are equal. We have seen angle A is what? 90 degree. So angle C is also 90 degree. So what we have seen? Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are 90 degree. And we already know AD is parallel to BC and CD is parallel to AB. So we can say that parallelogram ABCD is a right angle. First we have seen it is a parallelogram. Then we have seen all the angles are 90 degree. So it is a rectangle only. Now you know BD is the diagonal and AC is also diagonal. What you know in a rectangle, diagonals bisect each other. You can see they are meeting. So they are bisecting each other. That means BD is equal to AC you can write and half of BD is equal to half of AC. That means what? OA is equal to OC is equal to OB is equal to OD. That is our question. Why? O is equidistant. If they are equal, this half portion is equal. O is equidistant from A, B and C. That means distance from O to B, O to A and O to C is same only. Okay. That I have explained to you. Now let us see what is written here. That once again I am explaining. Given a right angle triangle ABC, O is the midpoint of AC. AC's midpoint is O. Now to prove, what is asked to prove? O is equidistant from A, B and C. That is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. We have to prove OA, OB and OC are equal. Now construction. Draw a line from A parallel to BC and draw a line from C parallel to BA. Using dotted lines, let them meet at D. We are from A, we are making a line which is parallel to BC and from C we are making a line which is parallel to AB and they are meeting at D. Now proof, we are going to prove. In ABCD the quadrilateral, ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB is parallel to AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. That means BC is parallel to AD by construction. Opposite sides are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. We know adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. That means B plus C is what? 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. B we already know. Angle B is 90. So 90 degree plus C is 180. So angle C is what? 180 minus 90 degree, which is also 90 degree. Okay. Now opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. So angle A and angle C are equal. C we have already seen 90 degree. So angle A is also 90 degree. Same way angle B already given 90 degree. So angle D is also 90 degree opposite. Angles are equal. So what we have seen? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. That is each angle of ABCD is a right angle. Therefore parallelogram ABCD is what? A rectangle. You know, BD is the diagonal and AC is also the diagonal. And diagonals of a rectangle are equal, that we know. So we can say half of BD. BD's half is equivalent as AC's half. Okay. What is AC's half and BD's half? You know, BD's half is OB and OD. And AC's half is OA and OC. They all four are equal. Half of the diagonals. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. So what was asked in the question? We have to prove that OA is equidistant from A, B and C. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Meaning is that O is equidistant from A, B and C. That means distance from O to A, O to B and O to C is same only. Okay.